How to fix your 0% clean air problem with your Shark Air Purifier. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix your 0% clean air problem with your Shark Air Purifier. So why your Shark Air Purifier shows 0% clean air? First would be dirty or expired filter. If the filter is clogged or has reached the end of its lifespan, the purifier may not function properly. Second would be sensor malfunction. A faulty air quality sensor can misread the environment and display incorrect data. And lastly is software glitch. Occasionally, the unit may need a rest to clear errors. Now, the first thing you can do to resolve the problem is to replace the air filter. Open the back panel of the purifier and then remove the old filter and insert a new Shark-compatible HEPA filter. Make sure it's seated correctly and the panel is closed securely. This often resolves the 0% reading if the filter was the issue. Now, another thing you can do if that was not the issue is to reset the unit. Unplug the purifier for 30 seconds, plug it back in, and hold the power button for 10 seconds to perform a soft reset. Some models have a filter reset button. Press and hold it until the light turns off. And lastly, clean the sensor. Locate the air quality sensor, which is usually near the intake, and use a soft brush or compressed air to gently clean dust buildup. This helps restore accurate readings. And that is how you can basically fix 0% clean air problem with your Shark Air Purifier.